On the battlefield of Eastern Europe, a tank renowned for its armor and firepower is making headlines. Meet the Challenger 2, Britain's military marvel, now part of Ukraine's arsenal. But how well is it performing in this high-stakes conflict? Let's dive in to uncover the story of this powerful machine and its role in shaping the ongoing war. In early 2023, the UK announced it would supply Ukraine with 14 Challenger 2 main battle tanks. By March, these vehicles, known for their advanced design and precision, arrived on Ukrainian soil. This marked a significant milestone in Western support, aimed at strengthening Ukraine's defense against Russia. Fast forward to August 2024. Challenger 2 tanks made headlines once again during a daring cross-border operation in Russia's Kursk Oblast. This bold maneuver demonstrated Ukraine's growing strategic capabilities. However, with high stakes come high risks, as the tanks faced mixed success on the battlefield. Despite their reputation, the Challenger 2 has faced significant challenges. Mobility issues have plagued the tanks in Ukraine's soft, fertile soil, with their 71-ton weight often causing them to get stuck. This, coupled with the demands of their 1,200 horsepower engine, has left some questioning their suitability for the region's terrain. Ukrainian forces have also reported losses, including at least 4 Challenger 2 tanks destroyed in combat. One was struck by a Russian Lancet drone, another targeted by an FPV drone. These incidents highlight the vulnerabilities of even the most advanced tanks in modern warfare, where drones and anti-tank weapons dominate the battlefield. Logistics has been another hurdle. The Challenger 2 uses a unique rifled cannon requiring specific ammunition, adding complexity to supply chains. Its cannon also requires frequent maintenance, with wear rates higher than its smoothbore counterparts. To counter these limitations, Ukraine has adopted a strategic approach. The tanks are often used as mobile artillery from secure positions rather than in direct frontline combat. This not only preserves their numbers, but also capitalizes on their strengths in accuracy and psychological impact. Experts like Colonel Mark Anderson have praised the Challenger 2's robust armor and precision. However, they emphasize that adapting these tanks to Ukraine's unique battlefield conditions is crucial. Improvements such as stronger engines and enhanced defensive systems could significantly boost their effectiveness. Despite its challenges, the Challenger 2 has bolstered Ukrainian morale and showcased the potential of Western technology in modern warfare. It's a reminder that even the best machines must adapt to the ever-changing dynamics of war. What lies ahead for these tanks? Only time will tell.